All right, so looking at our the VIX here, we can see here ISIG hit over 204%. So that's what we're looking for when we look at these small caps. So definitely got a piece of this one a couple times today. So loving it. We started out here just under 5. Had a nice rally up here to around $13. Had a pullback to $11. So if you missed this first trade on the scanner, you should have caught it right here. Wrote it back up here to $15, back down to $13, up to $16 after hours. So I was trading this after hours as well. It actually was the biggest run of the day, which happens occasionally. And then we have a pullback here. So we're flat again here as we run into the end of the day. Looking for continuation play. Hopefully this gives another one tomorrow. So looking good. AHI I did not catch, but you can see here we did have another one that hit the radar. It started out here, the low down here is 450. But you hear we capped out at 717. And again, this was after hours. So, we did come up here during the day to 643 and pull back to 548 and then back up, to around $6. So a little bit, a lot tighter. So that's why I wasn't trading it, but after hours, it ran again. This might be a one-time wonder though. So we'll see if this hits tomorrow again. I'm less confident in this one. LGVN continues to give us trades, even though we're on a declining, channel here. You can see here that we did have the opportunity today. 1671 to low, 2441 was the high, and we pulled back down here. We're kind of right in the middle here on the stock here, but we'll see if we can curl back up, get another chance as this is moving down. But this is a wide enough range, that I was able to get a trade in today, so I was excited about that. Looking at earnings, I told you I wasn't too excited about the ones today. KOOPA, I did catch a lot of this after hours. So they had, what looked like a good earnings report, but they went down. And we talked about this, this is higher risk than what I'm usually used to seeing in the market, because usually good earnings means, stock should be well, and it was not. And looks like after hours is continuing to go down. So showing up more weakness on a KOOPA here. So you can see here on today that, we came up and it spiked, and that's when I caught it. I shorted it on spike and wrote it down, not all the way, but, let me go to a 15-minute chart so you can see kind of what it did. But, really ugly chart. So you can see here today, the high was 177. Low 152, so pretty big drop, 25 bucks. It's coming back up here a little bit. KOOPA might recover a little bit better than some like Docu and Chegg and some of the others that just dropped and kept going down. We'll see, but I was surprised to see this drop down here, but I was okay because I was shortened anyway. So I got in, went up towards the top of the spike, and I just kind of wrote it down. So good trade on that one. Donut, we talked about in our video last night. Spike today, came back down, settled back where it was yesterday. So we'll see if that continues to give us some opportunities here. Vertex sitting here nice and flat right now, looking for continuation. Snow is in this wedge. Looks like it's ready to break out to the top side. So we'll see if we break out here and go north. If it doesn't, could come down here and bounce a little bit more, but we'll see. But right now it's kind of hanging at the top of this this wedge here. Tesla, spiked down this morning, down to critical 950 level, popped back up and closed just above the 50. And interesting, it did that. Obviously, this was an important part for it to go to, and it obviously rallied back up for us. So that's good to see. We'll look at for hopefully a bullish continuation tomorrow. Amazon did the same thing, came down, spiked that 200 again, closed back up here around the 50, or actually this is the 100 on 100. So looking to see if we can rally up here. Interesting, these are coming down, spiking, checking in, and then rallying back up. So hopefully that continues to rally north for us. Apple, you can see here, Apple's pretty well kind of flat for us. Facebook, looking for opportunities of things that have come down. Apple or Facebook was at 353 up here. You can see with this double top, and then came down here, down at almost 300 bucks. And then bounce off there, and we're kind of rallying back up here. So looking to see if we can get a continuation play. Maybe Facebook will rally up here for us, and give us some things since it's got, depressed down here a little bit. So looking at Facebook, as far as our general daily stocks, dollar, so kind of flat. It's kind of arching up, getting a little bit of momentum here, but it's still pretty well in that channel. The VIX pulled back down, from it spiked and then pulled back down. So it's still in the 20s, 27. So we'll see if it can continue to pull down here and help the market to come up. But definitely seen some weakness there, which is good to see in the VIX. SPY kind of went back and forth, did rally up towards the top of the market today, towards that 460 level. Need to break that 460 level so we can start to climb back up towards those highs. So hopefully we get this rally get going here. Triple Q, same thing, came down, spiked down below, rallied up over the 50, looking for a rally to get going here with the triple Qs. Semiconductors popped down, not quite to the 50, rallied back up towards that 20. So we're seeing a little game going on here. So we'll see what happens. But IWM, we were right down here in these lows, right close to this trend line, lower trend line, and we bounced off it again, rallying up over that 200. So hopefully we've got a rally started here. Dow Jones rallied up and it's over the trend line now, which is great, and over the 15 to 20. So Dow Jones might show us the way to year-end rally. Financials kind of consolidating a little bit higher, but still weak. Gold still weak, just consolidating under here. Silver kind of flat, consolidation as well. Bitcoin trying to rally back up here, got over that 50, got almost 51. So starting to see that rally and that recovery that we had of this big drop that we had over the weekend. So if you're not in, this could start to take off here. And so just consider, what you want to risk. And if you think this is a good opportunity, we are over the 200. We have this doge here, this reversal doge. So we could start to rally up here on Bitcoin. So looking forward to that. Ethereum started to rally up here as well. So this is great. This is a great opportunity to get in if you could, as we got down here to rally this up here. Still looking at Ethereum going up to 5,000. DeFi rallied up here, spiked it almost to $6, pulled back down here, down to 460. So we'll see if we can get a continuation here at DeFi. I did take most of mine out, just before the weekend on Friday. Luckily, it did pull back a little bit, but rallied back up. I did miss some of this, so but that's okay. I was trying to keep safe in the crypto market, and I was glad when I saw what happened this weekend. Luna spiked up here. These were highs. It came back down here. It's rallying back up here. It's above all the moving averages right now, around 67. See if we can get a continuation play on this one. But still, still watching Luna. I sold up here, bought the dip, rallied, riding this back up for another rally, and hopefully get up here, rally back over 85 and up towards $1 at some point. But that's our stocks. That's our cryptos. Just watch the price action. We gotta look at the support levels. If we get a strong day tomorrow, that'll be a second strong day. That's what we're looking for. At least 2 days in a positive direction, or 2 days in a negative direction if we're going to start going down. And that way we can start to short and put puts on, put options on some of these stocks. So stay safe out there. We'll look at tomorrow. I don't know if tomorrow will be turnaround Tuesday and we go the opposite direction again. It's possible that we could just kind of be choppy for a while, but hopefully not. I'd love to see a rally start. So stay safe out there. Everybody have a great night, and we will catch up tomorrow.